Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Realme Pocket Bluetooth speaker and I'm going to show you how to easily pair it with your Android phone. Let's get started. First we have to power up our device with this button over there. Now we have to go into pairing mode by holding this button over there. Now we are in pairing mode, so we have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click Details and scroll down to Available Devices. As you can see, the first one is Realme Pocket Speaker. We have to click on it. Now we have to click Pair. And now we are paired with our speaker. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.